Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be showing you some wall art, designer inspired wall art, and a lot of it is Chanel and a lot of top designers. This is a highly requested video by a lot of my sweet subscribers, and I can't wait to show you how I made these. So I got a lot of these stickers, all of them from a seller on Etsy.com, and her name is Tammy. I'm going to link her information down below, and she just custom made stickers, and I can't wait for you to see how I put this together. This project is so perfect for the fashionista on a budget who wants to have a really nice apartment or dorm room or home and doesn't want to break the bank, because this will cost you a lot of money if you were to buy this outside somewhere. So I'm going to show you how to do this on a budget, and I can't wait to show you. It's so fun and so creative, and all these frames were from Dollar Tree, so that's how cheap and easy this project is to do. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY. I'm about to head into Dollar Tree and buy some picture frames for this DIY project. I found some items that are so home good-ish, if that's a word, and it's only $1. They better not break easily. So these Parisian decor, and they have it in pink too. How gorgeous. All $1, and then they have different sizes. It looks like they're different sizes. But I can see some small ones in the back. They have it in silver. Sorry. Okay, so are they different sizes or they're all the same size? I don't know, but look. This is not Dollar Tree levels. These are like home goods levels, and it's only $1. So just want to show you. What else did I see? They've got a lot of full stuff, but this is just the usual. This is different. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before. Just had to show you. So we're actually here for picture frames, and I might look at these. I'm not sure. We'll think about that. Like thinking of doing a DIY with this. I don't know. So I bought all the stuff with me in this Macy's bag here, and I'm gonna I hope the flash isn't bothering people. Probably is. I'm gonna turn off flash. So they have some really nice frames like this one. Look. But the frame I'm actually looking for is this one behind, and they have a lot of them. The 8x10. I'm gonna need a few of these. I'm gonna need. This is nice, but I mean this matches with this more. They're the same. It's smaller. Let's see. What else do they have? I like this brown, but I don't want it for this project. I want white frames. That's what I'm actually looking for. Where are the white frames? And if they don't have it, I'm gonna scream. Like, you have black frames, you need white frames. I want that monochrome look. It looks like they don't have it. This is the closest to white I'm seeing, and it's black and white. We can do this, but I don't want this. I really don't want this. That really sucks. I came all the way here just for white frames. That's the thing. All Dollar Trees are not the same. They're not consistent. Look. Don't need that. I like how they have another mirror, but it's like a gold mirror. I don't like this right here. I'll just put it here anyway, but I really don't like this. I'm really particular about it just being very plain. What else do they have? They don't have a white frame. That's what I'm actually here for. They have silver, which is not bad. I like this silver more. Oh, has the camera been blurry and out of focus all along? I love this silver right here. I have some of these. I want it bigger though. Yeah, I'm looking for like this in white. That's all I want. Nothing much. That's all I want, and I'm not seeing any white frame. It's really sad. Maybe if I get down low and see behind here. It's actually sad. They have like just black frames. Oh, anyway, I give up. I'm gonna just keep looking. These are the frames that I got. You're about to see them when I get home. I'm just leaving now. And here is the Chanel one that I've already done. I had to take it in with me to compare. So, oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, so I got this from Amazon, and it is a marble vinyl. I've used it before in the DIY, so I used it on this frame here. Do you see how gorgeous that looks like? Marble and gold. You know those are my two favorite things, so I had to do it. I love how the stickers totally match the frame from Dollar Tree. So these are frames I got from Dollar Tree, and these are the ones I've already done off camera. Just look at this. Just love it. I just love how the marble just makes it look so much more expensive. And this is the Chanel one. And they're all Dollar Tree frames. I'm going to put the seller from Amazon, I'm going to put her information in the description box, so definitely go and shop her collection. This one was actually a mirror from Dollar Tree, and I decided to just put the Chanel sticker on it. I thought that's just such a nice detail. And this one here, as you can see, so it was hard putting on the sticker. You have to be very patient. So I kind of messed up there, and then the circle part messed up. So it did come with the circle part like the other one, as you can see the circle on that one, but it's missing on this one because I did mess it up. I kind of ripped it. So either way, it still looks nice. You would never know if I didn't tell you, would you? Okay, so excuse my tripod. It's so hard to film a DIY from this top angle, so my tripod is in the way holding, you know, the camera. So I'm going to start off with this Louis Vuitton sticker sheet, and I'm going to, it's black. I'm going to be putting it on this mirror that I got today at Dollar Tree. And you have to be patient. They're really easy to do, but you have to be super patient. See, I'm rushing here. And you have to make sure there's nothing, no bumps, nothing, and just press down. I'm going to use my nail, as you can see I'm using the back of my nail to just press down them. Take your time, don't rush, because you're going to end up messing up your stickers if you rush. Using my nails to firm everything in place and make sure it sticks to the actual mirror. And I love this because, as you can see, the black, it just looks expensive. Just press it down, make sure everything's stuck, and I think it's good to go. Sorry about my tripod. Okay, so I'm gonna try now. Give it at least 3 minutes to just stick. I'm gonna like really just press that in. As you can see, I'm like kind of scratching it almost. Now pull, and there you go. It should be easy to pull off. See, look, that one need to go back in. Get that down. And just pull out of the way, and you're gonna see this beautiful finish. Okay, so this is how your mirror would look, your frame, after everything is stuck down nicely. I absolutely love it. It looks so expensive. It looks like legit Louis Vuitton artwork, and this is ready to go on the wall. So I love it. It's perfect. And I love how the black goes with these edges. Look, I don't even know how I thought about that, but I just did. Oh, love it. It looks expensive and lush. Love it. Yay. Okay, next one. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my Chanel sticker. This is the third one I got, and I'm going to be putting it in this 8x10 frame. So what I did is I got the frame, and it's 8x10, and I basically like how that white part is there because it kind of balances out really good. I initially wanted white frames, if you remember, but I like how that white part is there. It gives you the white frame that, you know, I love it. So and it just goes really good with this. Okay, so I traced out, I put pins and clipped it on the 8x10 piece of paper. As you can see, this comes in the picture frame. And I am now going to peel this off. I'm going to peel this off and stick the vinyl onto the piece of paper. Okay, so I hurriedly did it, and it has a few bumps, but don't worry, I mean, no one's really going to see it, especially if it's hanging on the wall. But yeah, so I'm going to now stick the sticker onto the vinyl. Okay, place it down, and you have to be careful because once it's down, and you might get it wrong. And just press everything in place as I showed you with the Louis Vuitton one. Use the back of your nails or thumb and just press everything. I want to peel it off now and be very gentle. See, look, you're going to make mistakes if you're fast like me. It's done. Now to put back in the picture frame. Put your picture frame back together, and it's so easy. We're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you loved about this video, and I'll see you dolls in my next one. Bye. Love you dolls. Smooches.